Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open a Schwab brokerage or IRA using your social security number, legal name, and your bank routing and account numbers to verify identity and enable transfers. Enable two-step verification for added security and link your bank via ACH. Transfers typically take 1-2 business days to settle into your trading cash balance. You can also deposit checks using mobile deposit or move existing brokerage assets within a CAT transfer, which preserves cost basis. Follow the in-app prompts to confirm the transfer and track its status. Search a ticker symbol in the app, choose buy or sell, and enter the number of shares or the dollar amount you want to invest for fractional purchases. Select your order type. A market order executes immediately at current price, while a limit order sets a target price and you pick time and force like day or good till canceled. Use stock slices if you want fractional ownership. Schwab allows stock slices with a minimum of per slice and shows estimated fees and buying power before you confirm. After your order fills, set alerts and risk management orders directly on the position, including stop loss or trailing stop orders. For example, a 5% trailing stop to lock in gains while limiting downside. Monitor positions with built-in charts and selectable timeframes from 1 day to 5 years. Review each lot's cost basis and realized gains, and use the Watch List and Performance tab to track portfolio exposure. Schwab offers /bin/sh commissions on online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.